This is every active U.S. military helicopter. Utility helicopters, attack helicopters, heavy lifters, naval helicopters, rescue aircraft, special operations platforms, and trainers. More than 7,000 helicopters across the force. Some move troops, some hunt submarines, some rescue pilots, and some support elite missions. First up, utility and assault helicopters. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk entered service in 1979 and remains the backbone of U.S. Army aviation. More than 2,800 are active across multiple branches. It carries up to 11 combat-equipped troops and performs assault transport, medical evacuation, special operations support, and utility missions. Numerous variants continue serving worldwide. The Airbus UH-72 Lakota entered Army service in 2007 as a light utility helicopter. It is used for homeland security, disaster response, training, medical evacuation, and border support missions. Powered by twin engines, it carries up to 8 passengers and allows larger helicopters to focus on frontline operational duties. The Bell UH-1Y Venom is the modern descendant of the famous Huey family. Entering Marine Corps service in 2008, it supports troop transport, escort, utility, and armed support missions. A 4-bladed rotor system, upgraded engines, and commonality with the Bell AH-1Z Viper improve operational efficiency across marine aviation units. The Boeing MH-139A Grey Wolf is replacing the Air Force's aging UH-1N fleet. Based on the Leonardo A-139, it conducts missile field security patrols, search and rescue, cargo transport, and senior leader airlift missions. Its greater speed, range, and payload provide significant improvements over the helicopters it replaces. The Mi-17 HIP is a Russian-designed transport helicopter maintained in small numbers within the U.S. inventory. These aircraft support foreign partner training, security assistance programs, and specialized missions. With capacity for dozens of troops or several tons of cargo, the Mi-17 remains a versatile transport platform. Next up, attack helicopters. The Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian entered U.S. Army service as the latest Apache variant and remains America's primary attack helicopter. Armed with a 30mm chain gun, Hellfire missiles, rockets, and advanced sensors, it performs anti-armor, armed reconnaissance, and close air support missions. Modern AH-64E variants can also coordinate directly with unmanned aerial vehicles. The Bell AH-1Z Viper entered Marine Corps service in 2010 as the latest evolution of the Cobra family. Equipped with a 20mm rotary cannon, Hellfire missiles, Hydra rockets, and advanced targeting systems, it provides close air support, armed escort, and reconnaissance capabilities for marine expeditionary operations around the world. The MD Helicopters AH-6M Little Bird is operated exclusively by the Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. Small, agile, and heavily armed for its size, it carries machine guns, rockets, and missiles for direct action missions. Its compact design allows operations in dense urban environments where larger helicopters face limitations. Continuing with heavy lift helicopters, the Boeing CH-47F Chinook entered Army service in 1962 and remains the military's primary heavy lift transport helicopter. Its distinctive tandem rotor design eliminates the need for a tail rotor and provides exceptional lifting capability. The aircraft transports troops, artillery, vehicles, supplies, and casualties while supporting operations across a wide range of environments. The Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion entered Marine Corps service in 1981 as a heavy-lift helicopter for expeditionary operations. Powered by 3 turboshaft engines and a 7-bladed rotor system, it carries up to 55 troops or large external loads. The aircraft supports ship-to-shore transport, vertical replenishment, and assault support missions. The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is the Marine Corps' newest heavy-lift helicopter and successor to the CH-53E, featuring fly-by-wire controls, advanced avionics, and more powerful engines. It can transport significantly heavier loads over greater distances. The aircraft is designed to support future expeditionary and amphibious operations. The Sikorsky MH-53E Sea Dragon serves primarily with Navy mine countermeasure squadrons. Based on the CH-53 family, it specializes in detecting and clearing naval mines using towed systems and specialized sensors. It also performs heavy cargo transport and vertical replenishment missions, making it one of the Navy's largest helicopters. Next up, naval helicopters. The Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk entered Navy service in 2006 as a multi-mission maritime helicopter. It specializes in anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare using dipping sonar, sonobuoys, radar, torpedoes, and Hellfire missiles. Operating from destroyers, frigates, and aircraft carriers, it serves as one of the Navy's most important fleet defense assets. The Sikorsky MH-60S Nighthawk entered Navy service in 2002 and performs a wide range of support missions. It conducts vertical replenishment, combat search and rescue, special warfare support, medical evacuation, and mine countermeasure operations. Sharing many systems with the MH-60R, it provides flexible support throughout naval operations worldwide. Continuing with combat rescue helicopters, the Sikorsky HH-60W Jolly Green II entered Air Force service in 2021 as the replacement for the HH-60G Pave Hawk. Based on the UH-60M Black Hawk, it features increased fuel capacity, improved survivability systems, advanced communications, and a larger cabin. Its primary mission is combat search and rescue in contested environments. The Sikorsky HH-60G Pave Hawk has served as the Air Force's primary combat rescue helicopter since the 1980s. Equipped with aerial refueling capability, terrain-following systems, defensive countermeasures, and rescue equipment, it specializes in recovering isolated personnel. The fleet is gradually transitioning out of service as HH-60W deliveries continue. Next up, Special Operations Helicopters. The Sikorsky MH-60M Black Hawk is operated by the Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. Based on the UH-60 platform, it features aerial refueling capability, advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, and enhanced survivability equipment. The helicopter supports infiltration, extraction, direct action, and special mission operations in challenging environments. The Boeing MH-47G Chinook is the special operations version of the CH-47 Chinook. Equipped with long-range fuel tanks, terrain-following radar, aerial refueling capability, and advanced avionics, it supports long-distance insertion and extraction missions. Its large payload capacity allows transport of personnel, vehicles, supplies, and specialized equipment for special operations forces. The MD Helicopters MH-6M Little Bird is designed for covert insertion and extraction missions. Operated by the 160th SOAR, it carries special operations personnel on external benches mounted alongside the fuselage. Its compact size allows access to confined landing zones, rooftops, and urban areas where larger helicopters cannot safely operate. Next up, training helicopters. The Leonardo TH-73A Thrasher entered Navy service as the replacement for the aging TH-57 training fleet. Based on the AW-119 platform, it provides primary helicopter flight training for future Navy, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard aviators. Modern avionics, improved performance, and expanded training capabilities prepare students for operational aircraft. The Bell TH-57 Sea Ranger served as the Navy's primary helicopter trainer for decades. Derived from the Bell 206 Jet Ranger, it introduced thousands of student pilots to rotary-wing flight operations. Known for its simplicity and reliability, the aircraft formed the foundation of naval helicopter training before the arrival of the TH-73A. Finally, legacy and special-purpose helicopters. The Bell 407 Armed Scout has seen limited military use for Armed Scout and special operations support roles. Based on a proven civilian design, it offers high maneuverability, low operating costs, and good performance for its size. Small numbers have been evaluated and employed for specialized missions requiring a lightweight rotary-wing platform. The Airbus H-125 Accurail exists in extremely small numbers within the U.S. military inventory. This light single-engine helicopter is used primarily for utility, observation, and support functions. Known for strong high-altitude performance and operational flexibility, it is widely used worldwide for civilian and government missions in demanding environments. The Mi-24 Hind is a Russian-designed attack helicopter maintained in very limited numbers for adversary training and evaluation. Unlike most attack helicopters, it combines heavy weapons with troop-carrying capability. Within the United States inventory, these aircraft are used to simulate potential opponents during training and testing activities. The Leonardo AW-119 Koala serves as the basis for the Navy's TH-73A training helicopter. A single-engine design produced by Leonardo, it combines modern avionics, solid performance, and low operating costs. While the TH-73A designation is used in military service, the aircraft's origins trace directly to the AW-119 platform.